Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to convert Bitcoin to GBP on Coinbase. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first step, what you need to do is to open Play Store on your device and search for the following application, which is Coinbase. And be sure to download the official application. When you find the official app link, click on download and install it. After installation is complete, open the app. Then in the next step, what you need to do is log in or sign up in the app using your details. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring and storing cryptocurrency. Coinbase makes buying and selling crypto easy. In Coinbase, sending or receiving crypto between online crypto balances, friends or merchants is absolutely free. They handle security and backup so you don't have to worry. Coinbase is a platform on which many applications are being built using their API. You can log in or sign up on your Coinbase account on either mobile or desktop. Once you're logged in, you will see your balance and other details. Tap the 9 dots in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu option, select Convert. Now in the Convert section, choose Sell. For the asset, select Bitcoin. Next, you need to choose the wallet type. Here you want to select GBP because we are converting to British pounds. Now decide how much Bitcoin you want to convert. You can either enter the amount in Bitcoin or specify the GBP amount. You can enter a specific amount, example 100 euros, or click Sell All to convert all your available Bitcoin. After entering the amount, review the details and confirm the conversion. Your Bitcoin will be sold and converted into GBP. Once the conversion is complete, you can withdraw your GBP. And that's pretty much all about how you can convert Bitcoin to GBP on Coinbase. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.